Hey guys, this is Christian with Prestige Auto Appearance Studio and Ceramic Pro Elite Dealer. Here we just gotta take a quick minute to talk about a little bit on what we're doing to this Camaro. It's a beautiful shiny color. It's a freaking extravagant car. But I want to get to the point to where what it takes to get this car to looking super nice on the road, slick, and what protection it takes. But I'm gonna have Davian here. He's our Auto Elite detailer. He's gonna tell you guys exactly what it takes to have this car looking better than showroom ready. Davian, can you give us a little bit of information on this?
Of course. So first off, this client came in for our lifetime package, including the ion ceramic coating, and that includes the wheels, the windows, the interior leather and fabric, and then the plastics on the exterior. And then to top it all off, we do 2 layers of our iron base coat and then 1 layer of our iron top coat. And after that, he's shining like crazy.
Awesome. All right, guys. So you heard it from the man himself. This is something we take pride in. We love what we do. We take pride in it. And if this is something that you guys are interested in, please feel free to give us a call at 610-628-4249, or you can visit us personally, and we'll be more than glad to welcome you here at our Allentown location, 3826 Broadway, Allentown, PA 18104. We'll see you soon, and until next time, see ya.
We are Prestige Auto Appearance, Ceramic Pro Allentown Elite Dealer. Experience the difference. Call us today at 610-628-4249 or visit us at 3826 Broadway, Allentown, Pennsylvania.